Hello, now that I see that nobody shows up to the Zoom classroom, I figured I'll just do a couple of the questions from the Khan Academy assignments. So let's zoom into the screen and look at the first question. So the first question says, which expressions are equivalent to 7 times 7 times 7 times 7 times 7 times 7? First of all, which expressions are? So, and then it tells you choose two answers. So you have to pick two answers for this question. Well, exponents are repeated multiplication. So how many times I'm repeating? It's not 7 multiplying by itself. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 times. So I'm going to look at the options and see which one actually gives me the value 7 to the 6th power. That's what I'm after. Well, there should be a division over here. 7 to the 8th power over 7 to the 2nd power. 8 minus 2, 7 to the 6th. A works. Next one, multiplication. I have to add the exponents. 6 plus 1, that makes 7 to the 7th. That doesn't work. And C, 7 to the 2nd power and all to the 3rd power. Power of a power. So I need to multiply them. 2 times 3 is 6. So C also works. They asked me to pick two answers, but let's see why D is not. D is a division, so I need to subtract. 7 to the 12th divided by 7 to the 2nd is 7 to the 10th. So A and C would be your answer. There you go. Next question. Let's see the next question. Which equations are equivalent to 2 to the 5th power over 6 to the 5th power? Now remember, I have a rule. If I had A over B to the n power, this could be also written as A to the n over B to the n. And look at this question, 2 to the 5th and 6 to the 5th. It is no different than 2 over 6 to the 5th power. Well, let's see what that is. 2 over 6 is 1 over 3. So 1 over 3 to the 5th power. Which one of these would be like 1 over 3 to the 5th power? I need two of them. 1 over 3 to the 5th would not be A, because that just says 1 over 3. 3 to the negative 5th power. Check this out. Negative power means I have to flip and change my exponent to a positive. So this would be, actually, the second one would be 1 over 3 to the 5th power, which matches what I'm doing over here. So B is an answer. Next one, negative 4. I don't have a base like negative 4, but check this one out. 2 to the 5th power times 6 to the negative 5th power. 2 to the 5th, 6 to the negative 5th. That is no different than writing 2 to the 5th power over, bring this from numerator to denominator, 6 to the positive 5. And that's exactly this one in the first place when I wrote it. So the next answer would be this. So go ahead and give try to the rest of these questions. These were a couple of examples, and this is the hardest ones. This exercises are the last ones you should be doing. You should start it with the basic multiplying and dividing, and then power of products, and then this exercise. Let me know if you have any questions.